Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can recover or corrupt MySQL database. If you have tried multiple ways to recover your corrupted database, but still nothing worked, then don't worry. We're going to use here one amazing tool called MySQL Database Repair Tool by Stellar. So let me show you how we can use it step by step. So here we go. So you can see this is our database. Okay. And whenever I try to open my database, e-commerce TV, so I'm getting a lot of errors just because my data got corrupted. Now, how I can fix it? So let me show you the errors first, okay? So sometimes you'll find some errors like see incorrect information in file like this. Sometimes your MySQL automatically is stopped because of these errors, okay? Let me see, let me try to access this e-commerce DB directly from here. Let me try to access this e-commerce DB, and as you can see, it's loading. And after some time, that MySQL automatically is stopped. As you can see here, MySQL is shut down. See, these error I'm getting because my data is corrupted. Now, how I can recover it? So I tried the repair MySQL command also, but that command really doesn't work. I have the another option is I'm going to use here one software. Okay, the software name is MySQL Repair Tool by Stellar. Now open this. Now open this website. I'll give you the link in the description. Now as you can see here, this MySQL Repair Tool can repair your corrupt MySQL and MariaDB database. Now how I can use it? It's very simple. We need to just click on the free download button, download this software, and once you download it, you'll receive the exe file like this. Now open this exe file, just click on next, accept, next, install now. Now open this software, Stellar Repair for MySQL. Now to repair the database, we need to select the database. Okay, so how we can do this? So it's very simple. Click on the select database, click on browse. Now we need to find a database. So go to the C drive in XAMPP and then MySQL. Just select that data and click on OK. And now click on OK. And as you can see here, you have a database list. Now I'm going to just unselect all database and I just need to repair my e-commerce DB. This one, just select this. Now click on the repair option. As you can see here, selected database repaired successfully. Now click on OK. Let me try to access the categories now. Now you can see I can access the categories, products, users. So everything I have right now. It means I have successfully repaired the corrupted MySQL database. Now, how I can use it? So it's very simple. I'm going to just save this and you have multiple options to save this. So I'm going to use the SQL script, save this like, and just click on save. Done. Now, open the e-commerce DB. Now, as you can see here, this is the category. Open this in Notepad, okay? And just use the Control A, Control C. Make sure to stop this Apache and MySQL. Start again, like this. Go to the admin. And now we have to import this. Now go to the SQL and paste that here and just click on go. Now you can see whenever you open the categories, now it's working perfectly fine. Whenever you open the e-commerce DB, it's perfectly fine. It means we have successfully recovered our corrupted MySQL database. So they have two plans. So you can choose the plan according to your requirement. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.